page and mataka vinaka nikua kirubayan ratul tiana na mataka ndai and uchu chini monichi and yamba kingo rono do rosa ngol kaba and wasing on an ouch PALAGI show
mix atosyo nanguna
right
the daily is going
daily time the daily breath daily everything you have to keep an eye on yourself look after yourself because the weather is it's very unfavorable undecided to you have to keep an eye on yourself otherwise you're gonna be sick.
The weather is playing up.
Yeah, the weather is playing up. Like this now in Ba, the sun is there, but the flood is there too. So
like the weather is Takaimba.
Yeah, Takaimba. It's Takaimba in Ba right at the moment. Make sure don't go away. Tune into BTFM. You will hear the latest news about the weather in the PALAGI show.
Na Ouch PALAGI and VTFM kei ZEERA Bites, quality product from PUNJAS Biscuits.
Pleasant morning to you all. Thank you so much for tuning in this morning. This is
the last Monday.
This
is the last Monday of 2024. And a big bulavanaka to those of you tuning in all the way from everywhere. Wherever you are, we are this morning because VTFM is everywhere and is very happy to meet you on air and also online on the VTFM Facebook page. I want to say good morning. We want to say good morning to the people tuning in on the YouTube channel. And also we are on live on the VTFM TikTok account. Double tap.
to you all. Thank you so much. We say good morning to Bulavanaka.
Okay.
As well to all the listeners out there in Australia.
All right.
Bulavanaka Manisulansi, kia ora.
Bulavanaka
may Tonga, Samoa, America, Samoa. America.
Right.
And also we say good morning to all the peacekeepers out there in the Middle East.
Right.
Rugby players overseas, British Army personnel. This morning and the families to you all. Thank you so much.
All right.
To all the friends in the Western Division who are facing
difficulties in the moment because of the weather. But don't worry, you have to be happy because you still have that breath in your life.
Oh, kan siguro TikTok mika?
Double tap.
Double tap.
All right.
Siguro tok mi pa leo takos sa kuno siguro ratu turanga.
Why want to cross the bed?
Siya ba't ni ngunisal no kubita biyo kaya?
Oh, tengo normal.
Ratu. At kung sumo ka ko muli ko ang ande ni Maya.
We will come with the sokoli.
Takos ka?
Okay,
sini betul ke barang lakot si mango Okay, takos sini baik. Ito review ka.
Uy,
screenshot ng kulos talaga yo. Dangerous na mo na libo-libo.
Boy, you can be hiding anywhere nowadays.
Even
everything, even the rolling super, what happened here and there. If you want to hide,
all cotton camera.
Even the thief, if they want to steal the camera there, you can't hide now because what everyone is watching. All we know that we go to church, don't steal because God is watching. No, we are all watching nowadays. Be careful when you go here and there. Even if you do the TikTok, any wrong message you put it there, finish your life. Finish your life.
Wrong option.
Right. This is my brother, my real brother. I want to say good morning. Master Vito is attending all the way from St. Vincent's Primary School in Natovi. On Christmas, we were at home in the village. Celebrating Christmas, and then we drank grog. We do the sing-ringy. And after that, he went down his home down in the school Natovi. So next morning, he doesn't know. Little did he know that the PALAGI gonna come visit his grandchild. They go for the rongo. Few ladies came 8 o'clock in the morning. When they came and they do the loss in the morning, just one tanwa.
Right.
And this one tanwa is very strong saranga. They mix, they do the shabu. And after that they disperse. So after that he want to go to Corvo. He came to me in the village and he parked his car outside.
Right.
The orange gas. He came to me, bro. Can you just take your car to Corbo? Just go and do something fast can. What happened to your car? No, because my car is the gas is little. The gas station is close. Okay, and I give the fella the key. The fella went. As gang to after that we start drinking grog. Because it's Boxing Day, it's holiday. When we were drinking grog like this, like after 1 hour, the fella never came.
He was supposed to return by then.
Yeah, 15 minutes go Corbo, come back. After that 2 hours, sir, must be something wrong. But the fella have no phone, Sir, because we have to come back to Suba in that afternoon because I have to work on Friday morning. I'm like, hey, something happened to this car. Oh, I don't know.
Came from the car, came back from Corbo. You asked them, okay, to be Corbo.
Yeah, to be Corbo. He's there.
Oh,
after 2 hours, 3 hours, the fella came back. The fella came back again. The fella was laughing. He said, hey, Mika, your car is something wrong. What happened? No, the thing can't start. How come can't start? Because the thing is just out from the garage. Then we came here.
The motor car
just repair the thing, everything, change all the parts, service everything. The thing is okay. No, the thing can't start. After that, the fella laughing. What happened? No. Like 1 hour, I was trying this car to start. I came, I on the key, everything. The thing can't. And then
I check the battery.
Everything open the bonnet. I call that another driver with the same car, Fielder. Fella checked, no. Fella don't know what's wrong. After that, I went and called the mechanic. The mechanic there. Who told you to call the mechanic? No, I called the mechanic to check. The mechanic said, change this. And then I want to call you for you to come. After that, then I touch my pocket. Something heavy on the other side of the pocket. When I touched it like this, this is the old key. I was using my key to on the car. Oh, bang, kamu tahu na musuh kawalan anak key. Don't drink in the morning, otherwise you're gonna put the wrong key in the wrong car and you will turn on.
Ano ba kawin no one sa mga chika merlo mani minivan go. Sa pasyo man ni mas na matakali ko.
Dayan.
Kaya talaga nang una ko matak sa Roma ikira na pulisol.
Ano ba na wala sarah na ach palang iso na matak ni kay ZEERA bites. Wrong option, wrong key. Una wale sar be kawni sar chikmai anda na hulle weekenda sa da kuning une ang ono mga lebu kay nda baka sa mata katusona ka man daga ba ke baka siya nga ke bitulia ki ko na kiya siya nga ke kamuso na ki mo matukaya vini na ibeli an romanaka bayan rachigan go bi jos muato mbali chiko kay tau cho sobolau na bale sar na sar chikmai and video fam Facebook page ni mo lemena ka sa na YouTube channel ke mo na sa chikmai and a video fam TikTok account pano ni benaka and sige ko don't likes don't share sa takan page on the page ko lewana today is the last Monday of the 2024